A very strong wind was passing through, encouraging this fire, and the flames became really tall, taller than they were before. And as I was watching them, I began thinking about the logs and how they came to be here, about the earth, all the elements, the fire, and the convergence of all the energies that every being that participates, every presence, feeds back technically into the air, the same air that that wind was playing with and bringing through, just like it's doing again right now. And I thought, well, it's a full circle. It's like those words, Eadem, mutata, resurgo. Although changed, I arise the same.